Sigh. My name's Jane. I'm emo. You know, nobody understands me. It's so lonely. I just sit at home and
She cuts herself.
I cut myself and I watch myself bleed till I pass out. So emo. I got arrested the other day. I walked outside with my gun and I confessed my love to a flower. Such a passionate flower. Now, Sin City's my favorite movie. I've never seen it, but it's my favorite movie.
What about I Heart Bullets?
I sit at home all day and I listen to Panic at the Disco. Well, let's see what cool cats are in AIM. Bullet says, nobody understands us emo cats. Say, you're right. Nobody understands our passion, our fire to live. I Heart Bullet says, I know, us emo kids should stick together. I say, yeah, maybe we should get married sometime. Well, I gotta go now. Exclamation point, exclamation point, exclamation point. 1. Get out! You'll never understand me! That's all of Jamie emo kid. I'm done.